In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a string to DateTime format in Power Automate. Converting a string representing a date into a DateTime format is a common task in Power Automate, and understanding how to execute this process effectively can streamline your workflows and ensure your data is in the correct format for further analysis or automation steps. Let's dive into the process and see how this can be accomplished. First, you want to add the Convert Text to DateTime action. To do this, head over to the Actions pane. You'll notice a search bar where you can quickly type in specific actions you're looking to integrate into your flow. Type in Convert Text to DateTime, and you should see the option appear right away. Drag this action into your flow to place it exactly where you need it. This step is crucial in setting up the conversion and ensuring that your workflow can seamlessly transform string inputs into the desired DateTime format. Now that you've got that action included in your flow, it's time to configure it. Begin by focusing on the Text field within the Actions configuration menu. This is where you need to enter the string you wish to convert. For instance, let's say you have a string like 08/08/2022, which you plan to use. Enter it into the provided field. It's important to ensure that the string accurately represents the date you're working with to avoid any conversion errors later on. Moving forward, pay close attention to whether your date string is in a custom format. If it's not in the default format, often the case in many regional settings or personal preferences, you'll need to enable the Date is Represented in Custom Format option. Simply toggling this feature gives you the ability to specify exactly how your date string is laid out. This leads us to the next configuration step, the custom format. Here, you will define the format of your date string. Using the example provided, MMDD is a common format where MM represents the month, DD the day, and Y the year. This step ensures that the Power Automate flow interprets your dates correctly. Once configured, this action will produce a DateTime variable output. You can use this output in any subsequent actions in your flow, such as sending emails, updating records, or triggering events based on specific dates. The DateTime variable is a powerful asset in automating and refining your tasks within Power Automate, as it ensures your date data integrates perfectly with other data types and systems in your workflow. And there you have it, a straightforward and effective way to convert string dates into a DateTime format using Power Automate. By following these steps, you ensure your automated processes remain robust and your data accurate. Thank you for watching, and feel free to explore more features of Power Automate to enhance your workflows.